Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add or create delay video effect in CapCut. So you can tap on your project, select the video you want to edit, and here I already have a project, and previously I have edited by adding some effect and transition here, and you can see the result like this. So it's I call the without shake effect, and now I'm going to add back the delay effect to the video. So just select the part of the video that you will to give the effect to. So I'm just going to select this part and just going to tap on effect, select video effect, go to part effect, so you can scroll up, and select delay effect, and just click check mark and adjust for the duration until the end of the video. So this is the result. So this is the video effect I made. Simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.